Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a farmer in Minecraft. To begin, you'll need to find an unemployed villager and a composter block. Farmers are incredibly useful for automating crop production, saving you time and effort. We'll cover how to assign the farmer role, what tools they need, and how to optimize their workspace for maximum yield. Let's get started on building your agricultural empire. To create a farmer, first locate an unemployed villager. These villagers typically wear plain brown robes. Next, place a composter block within a few blocks of them. The villager needs to be able to pathfind to and interact with this block. After a short moment, you should see green particles, indicating they have claimed the composter and become a farmer. It's a simple process to get them started. Once a villager becomes a farmer, their primary role is to tend to crops. They will plant seeds, harvest mature crops, and replant them. Farmers require a composter as their job site block to maintain their profession. To get them started, simply drop some seeds or crops, like wheat or carrots, near them in a tilled field. They will pick up these items and begin their work, making your farm self-sufficient. For an efficient farm, enclose your farmer in a designated area with tilled soil and a water source. This prevents them from wandering off and ensures crops grow quickly. Provide sufficient light, either from the sun or torches, to allow crops to grow even at night. You can also set up a hopper system to automatically collect harvested items, maximizing your farm's output with minimal player intervention. This setup makes farming truly automatic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.